Hi, this is Tom Fitzgerald, Product Manager here at Black Box. I'm here at ISE in beautiful Barcelona, and we're showing our Emerald range today. Our Emerald range comes standard KVM, point-to-point, both HD and 4K. We're also showing our desk view, which at the desk you can have up to 16 different connections simultaneously. You can connect to physical machines, virtual machines, H.264, 65 camera streams, and our new WebLink technology allows you to connect to HTML5 connections as well. And these are also very highly secure because it's a direct URL connection, and we've also just added our video wall solution. So if you look above me here, you can see that our video wall, which is desk view, allows you to connect and aggregate desk views together to create a large video wall with up to 16 different monitors, or of course you could use a LED wall as well. So for more information you can check out our website at blackbox.com.